Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to use Google Meet on your laptop for seamless video conferencing and virtual meetings. So let's get started. Step 1. Sign in. The first step is to sign into your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one easily. Once you're signed in, go to meet.google.com. Step 2. Start or join meeting. Now that you're on the Google Meet homepage, you can either start a new meeting or join an existing one. To start a new meeting, click on New Meeting. If you want to join an existing meeting, simply enter the meeting code provided by the organizer and click Join. Step 3. Settings and Features. Google Meet offers various settings and features to enhance your meeting experience. Let's explore some of them. You can adjust your camera and microphone settings, change your background, and even enable captions for better accessibility. Step 4. Controls during meeting. During a meeting, you'll find several controls at the bottom of your screen. Here's what they do. You can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, share your screen, and use the chat feature to send messages. Step 5. Ending a meeting. When you're ready to end the meeting, click on the End Meeting button. And there you have it. Using Google Meet on your laptop is quick and easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.